Hey. What the hell?
Who are you?
I'm the car alarm. I'm trying to sleep in here. Shut the hell up.
What the hell?
God.
Fucking. All right. Fucking thing.
What the hell are you doing? I thought I told you before. Get the hell out of here. If you come one more time, I'm gonna beat the hell out of you.
Who are you, dude?
I'm the car alarm. You were already here.
Is this your car?
Just keep. I'm the car alarm.
Is this your car?
It's someone else's car. I live in the car.
What are you doing in the trunk?
I'm the alarm. Just keep walking. Get out of here.
What is? Dude, I'm
asleep.
this. God. Dude, this is the car I was telling you about. It's got this wacko new security system on it. I can't get in.
What the hell are you talking about?
Dude, the security system. I can't get past it.
Disconnect it.
You can't disconnect it. He gets out and yells at you.
I got this.
No, dude, don't do that. He will come out here. Dude, I'm serious. This guy's a freak. Dude, this guy. Oh, see, I told you. Now you are in for it. Dude, check that out. Oh, ow, so, ow, ow, ow.
It's like riding a bicycle, I swear to God. What the fuck are you doing on the ground?
Oh. Ow.
Why the hell were you even bothering with this piece of shit? It's not worth my time. I'm gonna eat my burritos. Fucking Cocoa Puffs and shit, I'm fucking hungry.